started.
Nice of you to have a picture of that bird.
Yeah, sure. What are the odds? Big muskie ate a bird. Unpleasant, yeah. Up there. All's fishing, guys.
It's great. We just saw Muskie grab a bird off of the lily pad there. No bird, no more bird.
Maybe we should get some bird lures. If he gets one on this cast, we'll have a permanent record of it. I'm sorry, sir.
Yeah, you know, I've been fishing with Scott for a couple of nights now, and we got this bet for who can catch the most fish. I haven't lost a nickel to him since we began.
For our sports fans, he hasn't won anything either.
That's true. Big better to have here. No money was exchanged at all. Oh, I got one. Oh, I got one. Oh. Oh, wait. I think it might be a weed. Oh, geez. Oh, I think it's a weed. Good weed fisherman.
Boy, it was exciting there for a while. Scott grabbed his wallet. He said, oh no. There it is. Oh, got away.
That's the brakes.
That's what happens.
Okay, Pete, last chance.
Okay.
I lost that one. That's bugs. Alright, you get one more. Make it a good one.
Okay. Geez, where will we go this way?
Okay. Nice try though, guys.
Bye-bye. Well, we're up to the speed.
Some flowers here.
Should have been here last week when the fish were biting.